YouTube? It is James. We are in Philly, and this is James in Philly. And today, on January 31st, on a Sunday, we are delivering for DoorDash. It's been a while. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in like a month. I've been really busy with work. I've been studying for the CPA, which is a boring accounting exam that takes a lot of time to study for. But also I tried to make a couple videos in this like month's time since my last video, but we just really weren't making any money with DoorDash, and it really wasn't worth it for the amount of money we were making to even try. Today we're gonna make some good money because it is snowing out. The snow isn't as crazy as it snowed last time in my last video, but in my last video we were making $50 an hour, and we did it for a few hours delivering during a snowstorm. So it's another snowstorm. It's gonna snow. It's been snowing. It's gonna snow all night, and so we're hoping to get some pretty good orders today. So stay tuned for this video. I think my next video after this vlog is gonna be kind of sitting down and kind of going over DoorDash, the company. So DoorDash is like it's publicly traded now. It's a stock. You can buy it. Stocks are like a hot topic right now. I know DoorDash is not in like the zeitgeist as like GameStop is right now, but if everyone that's investing in GameStop makes some money in the stock market, maybe DoorDash could be a stock to invest in. Who knows? I'll go into that in my next video, so stay tuned for that. But in this video, we are going to be delivering for DoorDash in another snowstorm. So let's go. All right, so we just picked up a double order from Tattoo Mom on South Street and Emmy Square, our favorite pizza place. It's $24, and she's just coming out of Tattooed Mom right now, so that's good. So now we just gotta pick up Emmy Square, and hopefully that's quick, and we can drop it off in University City and collect our $24 and be on our way. So let's do it. So it's 5:30. We just dropped off our 5th order. We've made $60 so far, and it's still snowing, believe it or not. And the roads are bad. Roads have officially gotten worse. All right, people. So it is 6:42. We have been delivering for 2.5 hours or something. We have made $112. That's pretty good, $112. If we just made $112, that would be awesome. But guess what? We got something extra. Free food. And there's another bag. Free food. Whatever. So we picked up a double order. So we picked up Hard Rock Cafe on Market Street, and the guy was ready with the bags. And he was waiting outside, just like, "Are you DoorDash? Okay, here you go." So it was like real quick. And then I went across the street, picked up a Wawa because it was double order. And when I got back to the car, we got a text saying, unfortunately, the guy that picked up Hard Rock canceled. So we are refunding you, or we're like giving you the money that you would have made for the whole order. And that's it. They didn't say anything about the food, and we already picked up the food, so free food for us. Pew pew pew. And we were just saying, man, getting a little hungry. Are we gonna have to stop DoorDashing? No, the DoorDash gods have spoken. I'm excited. Get excited. All right, let's keep it going. We got another order. It's a double order for Honey Grow. It's $22. I think the surge is $5, which is great. Real excited about the free food from Hard Rock. Wish it wasn't Hard Rock, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. We had the loaded fries, so that was like a good hold me over for when we get home and actually have dinner. I'm probably gonna have the legendary burger, and we're just gonna give the rest out to a homeless person. So we just gotta find a homeless person, which won't be that hard to find. I don't know if you guys want to see more like street views of the city, like just because it's snowing, but I can't stop the music. Can't stop the music because we are listening to Madonna. If you take any tip from any of my videos, anything at all, this is the one. Play Madonna. Oh my God. I can't even explain it. Madonna. Material Girl, Vogue, Into the Groove, blast it, okay? Rest of the songs, blast them. Madonna, the shit. Love Madonna. Great. Play Madonna and you will be in the groove. All right, we're gonna go deliver this honey grow. All right, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video where I talk about DoorDash, the stock. It is 7:40, and I think we started at 3:40, so we did like a solid 4 hours with like a mini little break in between to feed our dog and whatever. So we made $146. So stay tuned for my next video. Sorry that it's been so long since my last video. I want to make more YouTube videos, so that is it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and do those things that people on YouTube tell you to do. And that's it. So have a good night, guys. Peace out.